Hey everyone, and welcome back to All About AI Tech. Tonight, we're diving into the absolutely explosive growth in the CE 100 index, all fueled by the incredible excitement and investment pouring into AI. This isn't just a trend, folks, this is a tectonic shift in the tech landscape, and we're going to break down exactly why. The CE 100 index is up a significant 2.1%, and it's largely thanks to the anticipation of AI-friendly regulations and the massive infrastructure projects being announced. This isn't just a few million here and there. We're talking billions, even hundreds of billions, being invested in AI infrastructure. This kind of investment signals a massive vote of confidence in the future of AI, and it's transforming entire industries. Let's talk about Stargate, a new AI-focused company that's attracting some serious heavy hitters. We're talking about a potential investment of up to $500 billion. That's absolutely mind-blowing. Oracle is joining the party alongside giants like OpenAI and SoftBank, and their stock is already reaping the rewards, jumping a whopping 14% this week. This isn't just hype. These companies are positioning themselves at the forefront of the AI revolution. They understand the transformative potential of AI, and they're betting big on its future. This is the kind of forward-thinking strategy that can create immense value for investors. Now, let's shift our focus to the enablers, the companies building the infrastructure that makes all this AI magic possible. Companies like Amazon and Microsoft are seeing substantial gains, and it's no surprise. Amazon Web Services, AWS, just announced an $11 billion investment in Georgia to expand its cloud computing and AI infrastructure. Microsoft isn't far behind, with plans to invest a staggering $80 billion in data centers for AI development. These are game-changing investments, folks. They're creating the foundation for a future powered by AI, and they're opening up incredible opportunities for innovation and growth. Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, is also doubling down on AI. They're planning to invest a massive $60 to $65 billion in capital expenditures this year, significantly expanding their AI teams. Mark Zuckerberg himself has stated this commitment, and they're exploring innovative ways to integrate AI characters into their social media platforms. Imagine interacting with AI-powered personalities on Instagram and Facebook. It's a glimpse into the future of social media, and Meta is leading the charge. The pay and be paid sector is also feeling the positive impact of these technological advancements. Companies like Sezzle and American Express are seeing strong performance, fueled by positive earnings and optimistic outlooks. Sezzle's CEO is projecting strong growth, driven by holiday demand and strategic initiatives. American Express is reporting robust spending growth, particularly among millennials and Gen Z, a key demographic for future growth. This indicates a healthy consumer economy and a positive outlook for the financial sector. Now, not all news is good news. Both PayPal and Block face some setbacks this week, dealing with security failures and regulatory penalties. While these are important reminders of the challenges companies face in navigating the digital landscape, they also underscore the need for robust security measures and responsible data handling practices. These are crucial lessons for any company operating in the digital age, and they highlight the importance of prioritizing security and compliance. The Move pillar, unfortunately, experienced some headwinds. Companies like Airbnb and Tesla saw declines in their stock prices. Airbnb faced some volatility, while Tesla's deliveries fell short of analyst expectations. However, it's important to remember that the market can be volatile, and short-term fluctuations don't always reflect long-term prospects. Tesla remains a leader in the electric vehicle market, and their long-term vision remains strong. Now, let's talk about the Live pillar, which saw some positive movement with companies like iRobot, Porch Group, and Zillow experiencing gains. iRobot, a leader in robotic home cleaning, saw significant growth, and Zillow, a major player in the real estate market, also showed positive momentum. While it may be difficult to pinpoint and discuss every single reason for a given stock price movement, this is a general sign of ongoing market interest in companies using innovative technology to improve different aspects of the way in which people live their daily lives. And then there is the Eats sector. It's also showing some interesting developments in the food and restaurant technology space. Companies like Olo and DoorDash are seeing positive price action, indicating the growing importance of technology in the food delivery and restaurant management sectors. This highlights the growing demand for convenient and efficient food services and the role of technology in meeting these evolving consumer needs. However, the news isn't entirely great. The work segment has had some downturns. Companies like Xerox and Workday have seen their stocks pull back a little. Xerox retraced some gains following their acquisition of Lexmark. While acquisitions can be complicated, and they often lead to short-term dips, in the long run, they can set a company up for greater strength. For Workday, which helps businesses better manage finances, IT, and other similar operations, partnerships like their agreement with Guardian Life Insurance are showing that the business is continuing to grow, innovate, and adapt to user needs. Finally, let's touch on Apple, a tech giant that always generates headlines. Apple settled a privacy lawsuit related to Siri, highlighting the growing concerns around data privacy and the importance of responsible data handling. This serves as a reminder that even the biggest tech companies are not immune to scrutiny, and they must prioritize user privacy and data security. Lastly, there was notable news from FedEx, another logistics behemoth. They're streamlining their business operations by refocusing on its Drive program and separating FedEx Freight into a standalone business. This demonstrates how even established companies continuously look and refine how they're working, adapting, and changing to stay competitive and efficiently reaching long-term goals. So, what's the big takeaway here? The AI revolution is well underway, and it's transforming the entire tech landscape. The massive investments we're seeing in AI infrastructure are paving the way for a future filled with incredible innovation. From cloud computing to social media, from finance to logistics, AI is changing the game. Companies that embrace AI and invest in its development are positioning themselves for success in this exciting new era. Stay tuned to All About AI Tech for all the latest updates and analysis on the world of artificial intelligence. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.